Hello all, welcome in ERP SAP team YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a very basic but very important topic. How can we get the data of inventory utilized in project work or inventory capitalized in project work? Okay. See, the data, the inventory utilized in the capital work is you can get through directly using the basic transaction code MB51. Okay. In MB51 you can fill your plant details and not necessary to fill the storage location because I just want to get the data of whole plant, and here you need to fill the movement type 281. Fine. 281 movement type is what movement type? Good issue for network. Okay, good issue for network. Network is under the WBS. WBS comes under the project, and that material is further going to capitalize. Okay, and for example, if anyone has done the transaction code moment type 281 goods issue, then due to some reason maybe he or she use 282 reversal for the GI network, so we can take both for the knocking off entries 281 and 282. Fine. I just want to get the data of the 2019 financial year 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020. Fine. And just execute the transaction code. System will generate the list of all the inventories which are issued in projects. Okay. And these are the data of the material wise, movement type wise, SLOC wise. So you need to click on the detail list. You need to click on this detail list. System will give you this data. Okay. System will give you this data like this material, this is plant, this is SLOC, movement type, material document number, posting date, and entries, document date, amount, inter buys, inter run, and everything. Okay. And here system will give you the complete total amount. Okay. See, for example, this 281 movement type is used for this entry 21063.58. Then the same reversal is done for 21063.58. Then both the entry plus and minus is knocking off. Okay. You can export this data in the spreadsheet. You can export this data in the spreadsheet. Uh, 281. Okay, for example, we have saved this data in the SAP. System has generated the Excel file of this document. Okay, you need to wait. You need to save this data in the Excel workbook. Okay, at the same location. See, the amount is coming like this here. See, okay, what is the amount is coming is something you will get the auto sum. uh, 46,76,633 is the inventory capitalized in this plant. Okay, for example, I just want to get the details of any document. For example, this document which is posted on the date 1st June 2019. Okay, so for example, this document, okay, 1st June 2019, you can just open this entry in MB03, and you can copy this document number, same in the financial year 2019, and click on this. You just click on this accounting document, click on this accounting document. See, this is the entries. Once we goods issue in any project, then this is the entries made by system. Okay, the store of cable, for the store of cable for 85,270.73 is here. H means, see, credit. Okay, H means credit, S means credit, S means debit. Okay, means PS clearing is debited with the amount and store of cable is credited with this amount. Okay, see, once the amount is gone in the PS clearing account, then account official will process the CJ88, and after CJ88 pass the all amount from the PS clearing to asset. Once the all the amount is gone to asset, then it means that all the AUC value has been capitalized. Okay, see, I think this is the reversal entry, maybe, because we need to check any entries. For example, I just want to check this entries. Okay, this entries. Okay, see this entry. Okay, see, click on this accounting document. See, in this case, store of operators and plant is credited and PS clearing is debited. Okay, H means, S means debited, means you need to plus entries is as a debit entry, and store of operators and plant is credited, means our amount is transfer from store of operators and plant to PS clearing account. Okay, booking is done in the PS clearing account and some credit entry is made in the store of operators and plant. Okay, once the CJ88 is run by account officer, then whole this PS clearing account 1,98,176, 10,98,177 is passed into respective asset, and that means is capitalization of this inventories has been done. So you can get the summation of this entry and you will get all the data. Okay, see, one more thing I just want to include in this, that once we purchase any computer type of the asset or any small amount of the asset, then we are we are directly capitalizing that asset we are receiving using 101 type from the vendor. Okay, and we are just capitalizing that asset directly without using WBS and all. Okay, so you need to consider that asset also. Okay, you need to consider that asset also. So 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020, and you need to execute that once we purchase any quantity from the vendor, then we need to prepare a purchase order. We issue the purchase order to vendor, and with respect to this purchase order, the vendor has supplied the inventory or material, and we just receive that inventory or material in our system using goods issue a good receipt against purchase order using movement type 101. Okay, so you just execute the transaction code. See, click on the detail list. Okay, see here, using 101 movement type, there is a two option. Once you post any service entry sheet, then again 101 movement type is found. Then you need to just select the material column and sort in the descending order. See, all the material which is received in this storage location in this plant with respect to purchase order is showing there. Okay, in material column, if any entry is blank, then you need to think that this is service purchase order. We have received some services from any vendor. Okay, and see, you need to identify some asset. For example, select the asset column and see these three assets. See, these three material, one, two, three, these three material are directly capitalized from storage to asset without creating WBS. So you need to consider this amount also. Fortunately, this amount is here is zero in our case, 000, but you need to consider this amount. Okay, hope you understand these things, and if you have any doubt in your mind, in any query in your mind, please mention in the comment section. Please share this knowledge with your friends and colleagues for more understanding. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.